Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Evie, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my Gat gun collection. Now, if you don't know what a Gat gun is, this is a Gat gun. Now, the way this works is you compress the barrel back into the gun, and then that compresses the spring that causes air to get compacted back here. Hit the trigger, that releases the thing, and that makes the thing come out. There's a little hole back here which air comes in through, grabs the air and pushes it back out. So this is a TJ Harrington and Son model Gat gun. I'm not sure what year. I'm pretty sure this is one of the later years because it has a safe. You need a safe. Older model didn't have a safe on them, and these guns were manufactured from 1930s to 1990s, I think, which was when T.J. Harrington passed away, and then production stopped on these. These are made in England, and I guess they were really famous back in the 50s and 60s. They used to use them at fun fairs and carnivals and stuff like that. But that's the gun. Now, when I got this in this box. It says air pistol. It came with a push rod in case something got stuck in there, you could pull it out. It came with one cork, because it also shoots corks. And it came with 9 darts. This one I added from another gun that I have. I'll show you guys in a bit. So this is the way it came. And let me show you guys the back of this box. Got little targets. I guess you can shoot there. Now the rod just came out. Now this is a little push rod that comes with it also. So anyways, that's what this gun is. A Gat gun. From, I'm not sure what year, I can't tell you guys. I could read a little bit of the back of the box. Let me show you guys. You can read for yourself. The English law. Try to hold that still for you guys. You guys can freeze frame that. Okay, that's enough about this one. It says air pistol. It's a corker. Okay, that's that one. I'll shoot that for you guys in a bit. Let me show you guys another gun that I have. This is the high score model. Let me take this out for you guys. Show you guys the box, and you guys can freeze frame. Now this one is made in Germany. The first one I showed you was made in England, and I have no idea what year this is. And if you can read German, that is in German there. I'll show you guys this gun. This gun's a little bit smaller, but same thing. You can cock these, and they're pretty hard to cock. And I've got shoulder surgery done on me, so the easiest way to cock is put it against a hard surface, push down. That's cocked. Now you can uncock these. Let me show you guys before I uncock it. What you do is you take this off. It has a little plunger in the back. this has a little washer in the back. It's a leather washer. And what you do is you put that in. Like I said, I'll fire these for you guys in a bit. So let me go ahead and uncock this one so I can show you the other one. Now this is an HS Model 9A German high score. Now this is the way you would uncock this without actually firing it. And that is uncocked now. Now I've got two of these Phoenix G50s. Show you guys the box of these. I can't really find any information on this. I can't find any information on these. But I was able to get two of them, except for the fact that they're made in England. I have no idea what year these are made. I can't really get any information on them. I know they go by different names, which right now I can't remember. But they're kind of like G50s, and I'll show you guys on a different video all the different ways that this gun is marketed. Phoenix Arms, and they do go by different names. I think that one company made these and sold them under different names depending on who was willing to pay for it. Now this, like I said, I've got two of these. This one's kind of hard to open and I don't want to rip the box. There you go. This one is more intact than the other one. They're both really good. But like I said, this one is more intact. Why? Because this one actually came with plastic pellets, real pellets, and it came with the darts. So I guess that's the way it was sold. It comes with the same manual this one has. I just showed you guys. Plus, it has, these are stuck together, but these are stapled together, but it's got some targets on there too. It's got these targets and these targets, name, score. It's got 1, 2, 3, and 2 for the dart. 1, 2, 3 for the dartboard. And these are stapled together, and I don't want to unstaple them because these are the way they came from the factory, I guess. So, enough of that. I know you guys want to see how these shoot. So let me put this away. This one goes here. I'm not going to fire that one because that one is mint condition. And put this back. Now this one I have fired. I'll show you guys how it works. Like I said, these are pretty hard to cock. I don't even want to try to cock it because my shoulder messed up. I cocked this first Gat earlier, and it did hurt my shoulder, so I don't want to do it again. So the easiest way to cock these is to put them on a hard surface, push down. There we go. Now you would unscrew this. Has a little plunger. I'll hold it like this so you guys can see it against the white of my stomach. And it has a leather washer. Now, I'll show you guys down the barrel a bit. I'm pretty shaky here, but you guys get the point. Now we're going to cock it by inserting the dart into there. Push it in there, and you screw this back on. Now I'm going to shoot at that target over there. But I'm going to step behind you guys. It's about 15 feet back. As you can see, these are not very accurate. We'll do it again. We'll shoot like 4 of them. You can see they're all over the place. And I'm not that bad of a shot, even though right now I am injured. But believe me, I don't shoot that bad. There you go. Here's number 3. And one more. Well, we can see where they went to. So I believe what I'm gonna do, since they're going to the left, I'm gonna aim right. Aim right, and we'll see if I can hit the bullseye now. Now, all those other times I was aiming straight at the bullseye. Now, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna aim to the right of the bullseye and a little bit high. See if we can hit. Well, almost. There you have it. That's a Phoenix G5. Let me shoot the my original one. This is the T.J. Harrington one. T.J. Harrington and Son. We'll shoot 4 of these for you. Oh, that was way off. That hit the wall, on top of the wall. Don't ask me why. We'll shoot another one. We'll see where that goes. Well, at least that one hit the board. We'll shoot one more. Where'd that go? And I'm sorry about the shaking and my fingers are all crooked. I've got. Well, that didn't go good either. That hit the wall. And believe me, that's not me. That's the gun doing that. Said these things are not accurate. That was really high. And one last one. There you have it, guys. Let me pull this for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there's 2 on the wall somewhere. Well, guys, there's your little lesson on Gat guns. TJ Harrington and Son, Gat. Phoenix Arms Company, G5 model. The high score air pistol, model 9A. You guys have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.